Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. It's me, Eugene. And as I promised. Hi guys, it's me, Eugene again. And as I promised from my last video, gagawa ako ng mga videos sa mga pictures na nakuha ko from the last contract. So what I did is gawa ko ng videos ng mga pictures ko from the last contract sa mga napuntahan ko ng cities like or countries like Greece, Netherlands, Belgium, Spain, Italy. At masyadong mahaba yung videos. So it's about 20 minutes. So what I did, I made 2 videos. So 10 minutes, 10 minutes. So balik 10 minutes yung isang video. I'll upload the other video after a few days or maybe after a day, depende kasi it's Sunday today. Magsisimba pa ako mamaya-maya and I just have to upload this. Ilang days ako nag-upload ng last video ko. So, by the way guys, ako nga pala, pictures lang yung mga nakuha ko dati sa first contract ko kasi yung cellphone ko medyo may kalumaan na, so madali siyang malubag, kaya picture lang ako ng picture, hindi ako nag-video. So ngayon, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga cities or mga countries na mga napuntahan ko. And I hope you will like it. I hope you will enjoy it, guys. And if you will, please like and subscribe to my channel. Help me to get 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And pa-birthday nyo na yan sa akin kasi nga birthday ko ng last 2nd of August. So anyway, guys, I hope you will like the video and please do share the video kung nagustuhan nyo. Tara guys!